In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view a trial balance in QuickBooks. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the report and how to tailor it, so it shows the information you need with clarity. Start by opening QuickBooks Online in your browser and signing into your company file. Once you're on the main dashboard, look to the left-hand navigation and open the Reports section. This is your hub for every standard report in QuickBooks, and it's the quickest path to the trial balance. Inside Reports, use the search bar at the top and type Trial Balance. You should see the Trial Balance report appear as a result. Select it to open the report. The Trial Balance is a core accounting report that lists all your general ledger accounts along with their debit or credit balances as of a specific date. It's designed so total debits equal total credits, which helps you confirm that your books are in balance before you move on to financial statements or month-end tasks. At the top of the report, you'll see several controls you can use to refine what you're looking at. First, choose the correct date or report period. For most reviews, you'll set an as-of date, such as the end of a month or year, so you can verify balances at a point in time. If you're reviewing a prior period, make sure the date reflects that exact cutoff. You can also confirm the accounting method. Switch between accrual and cash if needed, depending on how you manage your financials. Most trial balance reviews are done on an accrual basis, but use the method that matches your reporting requirements. If you want deeper control, click Customize near the top right. In Rows columns, choose which columns to display and whether to show non-zero or active accounts only, so the report isn't cluttered. Under Filter, narrow the view to specific account types if you're focusing on a subset of accounts, like just assets or just income and expense accounts. In Header/Footer, you can adjust the report title or add notes for clarity, which is helpful when you're sharing the report with a teammate or saving it for your closing binder. After you make selections, apply the changes so the report refreshes. Scan the totals at the bottom to ensure debits equal credits, then review individual balances for reasonableness. If something looks off, note the account and investigate the underlying transactions from your ledger later. That's it. You've opened the trial balance in QuickBooks and customized it to show exactly what you need for a clean, reliable review.